Hi everyone, welcome to today's lunch and learn session. Today we're going to be discussing a very important topic, the role of UX design in digital transformation. In today's fast-paced world, digital transformation is crucial for businesses to stay competitive and relevant. One of the key components of successful digital transformation is UX design. So we want to see what role UX design plays in the digital transformation which has occurred for many companies. Yeah. So what is UX design? UX design is um, short for user experience design, and user experience design is the process of creating digital products or services that are useful, usable, and enjoyable for users. The elements of UX design involve a variety of elements such as user research, usability testing, information architecture, interaction design, visual design, and content strategy. So, what's the importance of UX design? UX design places the user at the center of the design process and helps to ensure that digital products or services meet user needs and goals. So, user experience design helps to always put the user at the center of the conversation at every point. So you can solve their exact need. So, what is digital transformation? So, on the other hand, digital transformation is the integration of digital technologies into all areas of a business, resulting in fundamental changes to how business operates and deliver value to their customers. This might mean something as simple as a business, formerly faceless business, right? Thinking of hiring a UX designer to design a website for them, and then they will get a developer to build it, right? So this is basically like the business leaning to digital transformation to create a positive change for themselves and their customers. So now they are basically going to build a website or a mobile app, something that can help them to connect with their customers faster and solve their problems. So, what are the elements of digital transformation? Digital transformation includes a clear strategy, user centered design, data driven making, data driven decision making, new technologies, innovation, and cross-functional teams. So the everybody comes together, all these things come together, all these components, all these elements come together to make up digital transformation. And you can see that user-centered design is one of those elements. So what is the importance of digital transformation? Digital transformation improves businesses by enabling faster responses, improving customer satisfaction, innovating new products, reducing costs, making informed decisions with data, and improving employee engagement. So you see, with digital transformation, your business can grow, your business can push boundaries, you can make informed decisions with data. You're not just making assumptions, and then you can drive progress in your organization. So, why is UX design important in digital transformation? There are three key reasons why digital transformation is um, is um, is leaning towards UX design, right? For positive change. So we have the customer centric nature of UX design. So UX design helps organizations and businesses to understand their customers' needs and expectations, putting them in the center of every conversation at every step of the line, and to design digital products and services that meet the user's needs. So another reason why UX design is important in digital transformation is innovation. Innovation in what sense? By embracing UX design, organizations can develop innovative digital products or services that differentiate them from their competitors. You can see that a lot of businesses, organizations today are trying to um, stand out, right? They're looking for ways to stand out. But how can they stand out? They need to embrace UX design. UX design can make them be the differentiation in the market. They can be that integral part of the market. You see, when you see giants like Google and Apple, you see what they're doing in their fields. They are giants in the market, right? They use UX design. They leverage UX design. They leverage UX design at various points to solve problems for their users. They create new stuff. They innovate, and then you see they create a lot of value for their company. So another importance of UX design in digital transformation is ROI, rate of interest. UX design can help organizations to achieve a higher return on investment by reducing development costs, improving the user experience, and then increasing customer satisfaction. So, UX design can help businesses, right, to scale up, and this is how. UX design is not just about creating beautiful interfaces. I know that's part of it, but then it's not all that there is. It's about understanding the user needs and creating digital products that meet those needs in a way that's efficient, effective, and enjoyable. By prioritizing UX design, businesses can reduce costs, increase revenue, and improve customer satisfaction. So if you look at this image we have by the right hand side, you can see that design is in the middle of the conversation, right? Design connects the product team to the stakeholders, to the marketing team and the business team, right? Why? Design can do this through collaboration, right? Designers in a organization are meant to collaborate with the product team, the stakeholders, marketing team, and the business team to create value for their company. Design can help in communicating visual ideas and helping everybody to get on board faster. This helps to maximize business value and helps the company to make informed, data driven decisions. So we want to see the benefits of prioritizing UX design in digital transformation. Customer satisfaction is one benefit. So UX design can improve customer satisfaction, leading to increased loyalty and repeat business. So when you are able to solve your user needs, your customer problems, and help them to achieve their goals faster, you'd see that they would say your company is good. They would refer your company to other people, and then they would want to do business with your company once again. So you see, UX design is an important tool to boost digital transformation in any company. So another importance is competitive advantage. I spoke about this earlier. By prioritizing UX design, organizations can differentiate themselves from their competitors in the market and can create a unique brand identity, a unique value proposition that can capture the needs of the users, right? To solve their problem, helping them to achieve their goals. That's how the company will stand out in the market. Yeah. So we also have reduced development time. If your UX design in your company is very strong, if it's very good, you'd be able to reduce the development time and cost by identifying the user needs and problems and addressing them early in the process, right? So what this means is, after before you see a website, yeah, someone would have designed it, and then another person would code it, right? Or a group of people or a team would code it, right? So then if you have a faulty user experience design, you have faulty UI, then your development process is going to be longer. You're going to spend more in the process, and then your user needs are not going to be attended to early enough. The what will happen is that the customers will then shift to a competitor in the market, and you don't want that to happen to your business. So you focus on UX design, improve your UX design, your UI and your UX is intact. You have a strong development team that can build this UI. That way, you can identify and address user needs and problems early before the customers shift to other people, other businesses, other organizations in the market. Benefits of more benefits of UX design in digital transformation for businesses. Yeah, I've already spoken about the increased ROI. So I'll speak about the improved market positioning, right? By prioritizing UX design, organizations can gain a competitive advantage by creating digital experiences that are more intuitive, engaging, and user friendly than their competitors. So they will position in the market as that stellar company, that stellar business, like the way you see when you think about Apple. I like Apple a lot because they prioritize design, right? So when you speak of mobile phones, when you talk about mobile phone companies, you cannot but mention Apple because like Apple is like at the forefront of innovation in that industry. And why they've been able to do this, how they've been able to do this, is because they invested in design. And yeah, we'll speak more about this as we go on. So another thing that design would do for your business is it would push business growth. It would make your company grow. You will scale up faster, right? UX design can contribute to business growth by increasing customer satisfaction, reducing churn rates, and improving customer retention rates over time. So basically, if your UX design, if you've attended to your UX design, you've invested in it, you would be able to push for growth in your business. You scale up. You'd be able to reduce the churn rates. Your customers would refer people to use your product. Why? Because your product is able to attend to their needs by UX. So, what are the key challenges in implementing UX design in digital transformation? Difficulty integrating UX design into traditional development processes, resistance to change from stakeholders. That's when you have, everybody has to agree when you have a team of developers, designers, product managers, scrum masters, business analysts. Everybody has to come together along with the product owner to make decisions, right? But when there's a resistance to change from the team and the stakeholders, then UX design is not being allowed um, to freely improve the transformation or to boost the transformation of that company, right? Because it feels like it would be like the team is not listening to the ideas that UX design can push forward, and then yeah, it would in the longer run just delay the speed at which they progress. So under challenges, lack of understanding about the value of UX design. So, not every organization understands the true value of UX design. I mean, user experience design is a field that has just been, yeah, it's upcoming, right? A lot of people have been developing even before user experience design came, right? They were just developing, and then yeah, they were developing products that were not meeting the exact needs of the customers, right? So they didn't understand the value of UX design. They didn't see the need for UX design. But as time as time passed, right, we have been able to see that user experience design can play a positive role in developing a company actually, and actually attending to the customer's needs faster. So this is why the understanding of UX design is very valuable to any organization. Another challenge is difficulty measuring the impact of UX design initiatives. Another one is ensuring consistency across different products and platforms. So, yeah, fantastic. A company now has good UX, right? But then, how do they make sure that that product is consistent, right, across various platforms, across various regions, allowing for a large customer base to be able to use that product without issues. They will use the product to solve their problems, and they will use it to achieve their goals, right? So then it needs to be consistent. The UX has to be consistent. But that's a challenge that we've seen across various industries. You see, you go to some websites and you see that the website is nice, right? But then their mobile app is not so nice. So everybody tends to lean to the web app instead of the mobile app. And then forgetting that not everybody has a laptop or like a PC, MacBook, or yeah, to access the web, right? So those people that are left with their phones, they won't be able to access that product. It means that that product is not consistent across various platforms. So that's a challenge. And then if you work on that, if you make your product consistent across all platforms. It's just so many gains. I see so many gains because you get a larger customer base. People will refer more people, and they'll refer more people to use your product. And your product is going to have a very high rating, very high customer retention too. You would have reduced the churn rate, one in the market, the other competitor in the market. You'd have solved a lot of problems using UX design. So we want to see some examples of successful UX design in digital transformation. We see companies like Amazon, Spotify, Slack, Apple, and so many more. They lean towards UX design so they can make a positive digital transformation for their company, right? So, for example, Amazon's success can be attributed in part to their focus on user experience, including one-click ordering, personalized recommendations, and easy returns. So you see, they listen to their customers, right? They made personalized recommendations to those customers. So for them to make those personalized recommendations, they have to know the customer, right? So you see that they put the customer in the middle of their operations. That's what you call customer centric, the customer centric characteristic of user experience design. So that's where it is being played in Amazon. And in Spotify has become one of the most popular music streaming services, due in part to their emphasis on personalized playlists, easy to use interface, and discovery features. You see again, personalized playlist. I am a user of Spotify. I use Spotify, I use Apple Music, I use some other music apps, right? But then yeah, I've used a couple actually. I've used YouTube Music. I've used Audio Mac, and then I've tried these different products, right? But then the one that just got me to stay, and I've been using it for a long time now, is Spotify. Why? Because every time I go to Spotify and I just play one song from my list, like my playlist, right? Once I play one song, the next song and everything, they do this auto shuffle thing where they provide recommendations personalized to you. So like they provide personalized recommendations of songs that I can listen to because I've liked some previous songs. So right, they know what I like and they're giving me what I like. So definitely I'll stay on the product. I'll keep listening to the good music on it. And then yeah, that's how they've got me as a customer to stay on the product. And then funny thing is I've referred like two members of my family already. Everybody come and join Spotify. Spotify is best. Yeah, this is not a commercial for Spotify, but then yeah. So that's it. We also have Slack. All right, Slack's rise to prominence as a team communication tool is largely due to their user-friendly interface, customizable notifications, and integrations with other tools. You see, Slack has solved a lot of problems, right, in the job in the tech space, right? So they've been able to enable teams to communicate effectively within a confined space, share ideas. They have a very good user interface. That's why a lot of companies in the world use Slack as their basic communication tool. And this is just good. It's just a testament of the good work they're doing. And yeah. Let's see some other ones. So, more examples of some successful UX design in digital transformation is the Apple. We can see Apple devices as an example and software, right? You can see this Apple Watch. You see how beautiful it is. It just looks sleek. I can see the time definitely, and then I would want to have this on my wrist, right? Because it's fancy, it's nice. So that's what I was saying about Apple. Apple invests in design, right? They prioritize design. They know the value of design, and it has helped them because it has helped them to deliver products and services that their customers so dearly love that every year once Apple brings out a new phone, everybody is buying Apple Pro Max 15. That's the one that's coming out soon. And like everybody's just jumping on it, jumping on every year. And you're wondering like, how do these people have this so much money to just be spending every year? But then you reason it that these guys have actually seen the quality that Apple always delivers every year, right? Year in, year out, they produce, they innovate, they create new stuff, fantastic stuff, interesting stuff. I mean, like Apple invests a lot in design, and then it's helping them to generate a lot of revenue. Why? Because they've connected with their customer base and they are so sure that every year once we release it, they are going to buy. And then this is only possible because they were able to invest in design. They saw the value that design has and how it can help their users solve their problems faster, right? So they invested in design, and today look at Apple making a lot of ROI. And then yeah, there's Google Maps too. Google Maps has revolutionized the way we navigate, the easy to use directions and real time traffic updates. If you're someone that I'm from Lagos, Nigeria, if you're someone that stays in Lagos, Nigeria, you would know that we go through traffic every time. Like we, if you forget anything in your house, just forget it. Is you cannot go back to take it. There's too much traffic. Just face your way and just go. So for example now we have Google Maps, right? So before I go out, because I know there's always traffic outside in Lagos, right? I What I do is I open my phone, I open Google Maps, and I check I put in the location that I'm going to, right? Just to check the best route, the fastest route that I can use to get there. How soon can I get there? Like the time it will take me to get there, and also the traffic congestion. Like Google Maps provides a lot of services that can help you locate things faster. That's why like the whole world basically is using Google Maps. It's like one of the best maps in the world, like easy to use. It has a user-friendly interface, and you see everything. All these things are basically leaning towards design, because if they don't design their mobile app well, people will complain and they will not be able to locate places as fast as they can. So that's why Google invested in design. We see Netflix. Netflix is a very, very, very popular movie streaming company, right? So like Netflix, everybody uses Netflix, right? Why? Because Netflix has a user-friendly interface and personalized recommendations that have made it a leader in the streaming industry. So you see, Netflix, you see that personalized recommendations coming into play again. Netflix does something similar to why explained as Spotify, like what Spotify does, right? They give you recommendations based on what you've watched on Netflix. Like if you come on Netflix, you watch possibly a superhero movie, then you'd be sure to see another superhero movie in your recommendations. You just see something like you may also like, and definitely you may also like it, because I mean these recommendations are tailored to your needs. They know what you want, they know why you are coming, and then they feed it to you, right? That's how they get you to stay. And you keep using Netflix, you subscribe this month, subscribe next month. You're making more money, you are enjoying yourself, you are watching Netflix movies every time. Netflix and chill. So I mean, like, it's a win-win for everybody. The customer base is happy, the company is happy. Why? Because they've invested in UX design. So we can also see Airbnb. Airbnb uses a user-centered approach to booking travel, and it has disrupted the hospitality industry. Airbnb is also a very, very popular um, site that you can get houses. You can say you're going to anywhere in the world, you can just go to Airbnb. You'd see like some places you can stay, and then it's solving problems for millions of users all around the world through UX design. So we also have so many examples. We have PayPal, Dropbox, Duolingo. Everybody is using design, right? So PayPal helps users to make online payments simply, easily, and securely, right? We have Dropbox too. Dropbox intuitive interface and easy file sharing capabilities have transformed the way we collaborate, right? Duolingo's gamified approach to language learning has made it accessible and enjoyable for millions of users. So you see, these guys are leaning towards design. You see, gamification. Gamification is a type of is something we include in UX design these days, an element, right? To boost user engagement, to boost customer retention. Users will become more very attached to the product, right? Because the product keeps giving them what they want. And every time they need something, they go there and it gets their job done. I mean, they just keep using the product, right? They'll get hooked, right? So that's just the those are the benefits of UX design for many companies, right? So key takeaways. UX design is a critical component of successful digital transformation. By prioritizing the user experience, organizations can improve customer satisfaction, achieve a competitive advantage, and reduce development costs and time. However, implementing UX design can be challenging, and organizations must be willing to invest in skilled designers, integrate UX design into their development processes, and educate the stakeholders about the value of UX design. Thank you for tuning in.
Welcome to Join Momentum, where we're not just a company, but a community of digital innovators. At Join Momentum, our mission is simple yet powerful: to accelerate digital talents and business productivity through practical work experiences, trainee internships, and talent placement. We believe in the transformative power of hands-on experience and mentorship, so all our associates learn by doing, not just theories. Through these efforts, We build innovative products and solutions that address user needs and create value for our candidates, clients, and stakeholders. You can partner with us in our mission to accelerate digital talents and increase business productivity by working with us, hiring our talents, or investing in us. This is Join Momentum.
Tired of learning job skills from textbooks? Meet Job Simulator AI. We've built the first AI platform that lets you practice real jobs in a safe, virtual environment. It's like a flight simulator, but for careers. Practice real jobs, get real proof, build a portfolio of completed simulations, earn performance badges inspired by industry leaders, showcase verified skills to employers, get instant AI feedback on your progress. For educational institutions, be among the first schools and universities to give your students practical job experience before graduation. Limited early access spots available. For businesses, sponsor industry-specific simulations to showcase your brand, build a pipeline of practice-ready talent, connect with candidates who excel in your simulations, transform employee training and reduce onboarding time. For training providers, add hands-on practice to your existing courses, differentiate your offering with AI-powered simulations, give learners verifiable proof of practical skills, scale your training impact globally. For students and job seekers, stop wondering if you're ready for that dream job. Start practicing it today. Join our early access waitlist. Ready to revolutionize job training? Sign up for early access at www.jobsimulator.ai. The future of work is hands-on. Don't just learn it, leave it.
Join Momentum Learning and Development Squad have rolled out practical work experience simulation programs and scenario-based learning on a new platform called the Growth Academy.
At the Growth Academy, you will engage in real-world simulations and complete scenario-based tasks at your own pace, which are all inspired by global brands.
With consistent practice and support, our participants gain invaluable experiences across multiple disciplines such as product management, data science, project planning, business analysis, virtual assistant, business development, technical sales, cybersecurity, and many more.
The Growth Academy programs come with AI-powered evaluations. You will receive detailed feedback assessment directly to your inbox, guiding your skill development and areas of improvement. You can also showcase your new skills expertise by ordering digital certificates, which are perfect for demonstrating your competency to employers or clients.
You will also become part of a dynamic community of professionals, sharing knowledge and supporting each other on the path to success. And we empower you to step up as a leader, coach, by reselling any of our programs as your own and earn instant income while helping others grow in their careers.
Start your journey today at www.thegrowthacademy.co.uk.